Dear students, those who are seeing my videos and they do not like and share, so kindly like and share of this all of the questions. Let's go to question number one. Which of the following is not a common type of packaging material? That is option D, ceramic. Which of the following is not a type of packaging material? That is ceramic. Option B. What is the major advantage of using glass as a packaging material? That is option B. Transparency. What is one major advantage of using glass as a packaging material? That is transparency. Option C. Which of the following is a disadvantage of glass packaging? Which of the following is a disadvantage of glass packaging? Option C. That is high cost. Which of the following is a disadvantage of glass packaging? That is high cost. Why might plastic be chosen as a packaging material over glass? Why might plastic be chosen as a packaging material over glass? That is option C. It is more cost effective and lighter. Why might plastic be chosen as a packaging material over glass? It is more cost effective and lighter. So option 5, question number 5. Which type of plastic is commonly used for packaging pharmaceuticals? That is all of the above: PP, polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, polyethylene. Option number 6. Go to question number 6. What is the key advantage of metal packaging? That is option B, durability and protection from light. Which of the following is a disadvantage of metal packaging? That is option C, reactivity with certain substances. Which of the following is a disadvantage of metal packaging? The reactivity with certain substances. Question number 8. Which material is often used as a lining or stopper in pharmaceutical packaging? Which material is often used as a lining or stopper in pharmaceutical packaging? That is question number D is option 8, rubber. 9. What is a major advantage of using rubber as a packaging material for pharmaceuticals? That is option B, flexibility and sealing capability. What is a major advantage of using rubber as a packaging material for pharmaceuticals? Flexibility and sealing capability. Let's go to question number 10. What is a common use of plastic in pharmaceutical packaging? What is a common use of plastic in pharmaceutical packaging? That is option D, all of the above: bottles, blister packs, syringes. Question number 11. Which material offers the best protection against light for pharmaceuticals? That is option B, non-biodegradability. Which material offers the best protection against light for pharmaceuticals? That is metal. Which type of metal is commonly used for cans and closure in pharmaceutical packaging? That is aluminum. Option 14. Question number 14. What is a key criterion for selecting packaging material for pharmaceuticals? That is option B, compatibility with the drug. 15. Which of the following is not a benefit of using glass for pharmaceutical packaging? That is option C, a lightweight. Question number 16. Why is plastic often preferred for packaging of liquids and creams? That is option C, flexibility and ease of molding. Which property is essential for rubber used in pharmaceutical packaging? That is option A, high flexibility. What is a common disadvantages of glass in pharmaceutical packaging? That is heavy weight. Which type of plastic is known for its strength and resistance to impact? That is polyvinyl, polypropylene, polypropylene (PP). What is a major advantage of using rubber stoppers in vials? Option B, ability of form a tight seal. What is a disadvantage of using plastic in long-term storage? Option A, susceptibility of UV degradation. What type of metal is preferred for pharmaceutical packaging due to its corrosion resistance? Option A, aluminum. Which packaging material is most commonly used for sterile pharmaceuticals? Option A, glass. What is a key advantage of using plastic blister pack for pharmaceuticals? Option B, tamper evidence and the individual production. Question number 26. Why might metal be used packaging for certain pharmaceutical products? Option B, to offer protection from light and moisture. What opportunity for glass makes it is a suitable choice for pharmaceutical packaging? Option B, chemical interference. Question number 28. Which material is most commonly used for producing caps and closures in pharmaceutical packaging? Option C, plastic. What is a common application of rubber in pharmaceutical packaging? Seals and stoppers. What is a major advantage using metal packaging for solid dosage forms? Option B, high barrier properties.